Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF are and few more forex, how they are performing, how they are performed in the last week and how they can perform in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, this is a chart of USD CAD. We can see that after this is the, if you make a trend line from here, we can see that after breaking this trend line, we have seen it has moved up. Okay, and a U pattern is formed and a trend reversal have formed at this level. Okay, so we can see now, we can see that this is the range. A high it made of around 1.25 and low it has made of around 1.22. Okay, so once this range, okay, once a range, now it is at around moving at around 1.224. Suppose if it sustain this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1.24970, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.259. okay, once 1.259 is touched, then we can see a level of 1.2655. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 1.27, because we have seen this is a bullish trend in this in the USD CAD. So but with a stop loss, if we look at, if it goes below a level of 1.246, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1.235, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 1.22181. okay, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 1.21484. okay, so you have to be understand that if it goes below a level of 1.22, or if it goes below a level of 1.23, then we are on the bearish side, because this is the range. So once this range of 1.22 breaks downside, then we can see a level of 1.2218. okay, so now if we talk about USD JPY, see USD JPY, and if you have checked my previous video, or if you have any doubt regarding forex, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. And please, if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can see now we can see that there is a trend reversal at this point, and which is in April, and we have seen a continuous upside rally and made a high of around 11111, okay, 0.654. so what we can see here, suppose if it goes below, now it is trading at around 110.131. suppose if it goes above a level of 111, okay, and the low range of that red candle is 109 and a high is around 11111.210. so what we can see here is, suppose if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 111.210 if sustain a level of 110. okay, and if it sustain more than that, then we can see a level of 111.654. okay, and then we have seen it is a high which is already tested, so chances are very high that it can touch a level of 112. okay, so USD JPY once goes above a level of 111.210, then we can be on the buying side. okay, and it can touch a level of 111.488, and if it goes above this level, then we can see that this level is already tested twice, 111.682. so chances are very high that it can touch a level of 112.182. okay, what I'm saying, so you be careful at the time when it crosses the level of 111.626, then chances are high. suppose if it goes above a level of 110.988, okay, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 111.488, and once 111.488 is touched, we have seen that this level is tested twice, 111.710, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 112.209. okay, and then it can touch this level, and this level is not tested twice, so chances are high that it can bounce back from this level. suppose if it goes below this level, okay, 110, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 110 110.377, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a 110.183, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level 109.822. But till the time it didn't cross a level of 110.266, we are on the bullish side. Okay, and if it crosses the level of 111, then we are looking that it can go further high. Okay, and if it goes below a level of 110.349, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 109.882. okay, or it can go to a level 109.572, which is a very strong support. So if we talk about USD JPY, if we talk about USD CHF, we have seen that it is created a W pattern. Okay, so what we can see here, suppose if it goes above a level of 0.2665, then chances, because this level is already tested twice, so suppose if it goes above a level of 0.9236, so chances are high that it can cross this level of 0.926 and can touch a level of 0.92895 and can go to a level of 0.93202. okay, and from there it can touch a level of 0.93700. okay, but it has to stay above a level of 0.92435. so okay, and then we can see it can touch a level of 0.935 also. But suppose if it didn't sustain this level of 0.91630, then chances are high that it can go to a level of 0.9476, and from there we can see a level of 0.9361. and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level go to a level of 0.93181, and from there we can see a level of 0.90506. okay, if you have any doubt, you can mail me, because we can see a trend reversal in this pattern, and we have seen this pattern has gone, and now this pattern, and now once this range breaks upside or downside, we can see further movement in the price of this USD CHF. okay, like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.